Hey guys, oh my god, I'm so excited to share this video with you, which is how to charge more for lashes. I've also got a free checklist with all of my tips written down for you. Just make sure you watch to the end of the video and I'll let you know how you can get one. So you want to charge more for lashes, but you're not sure how to increase your prices. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 points that you can work on so you can feel more confident and finally raise your prices and charge what you're worth. And guys, if you aren't subscribing already, hit that subscribe. I post videos every Monday and Friday, which are just designed to help you grow your lash business. So, step 1, you need to get over your fear of charging a higher price. You need to believe in your value and you need to believe that you can cherry pick your clients. And you know what? You can. And you will. It's easy to think the lower the price, the more people will buy. However, that's not the case. Research has shown us that products or services that have a higher price also have a higher perceived value. People tend to perceive companies that charge higher prices as being more prestigious and, as a result, more desirable. They also assume that a higher price means that product or service is of a higher quality. For example, people think wine tastes better when it's more expensive. And people tend to buy the medium price option when you give them 3 options. So you could do a half set, a classic set, and an extra full set. Step number 2, have a website where you can book and pay for things online. Someone who has an Instagram account and takes their bookings via DM is going to look less professional than someone who has a nice website where you book something online and you have to get your card out to pay for it. If you're about to spend a lot of money on a product, wouldn't you think it was a bit dodgy if you were booking it via DM or text message? If you book for something online and you get your bank card out, it has more gravity. It looks more professional and customers will think it's worth the higher cost. On a side note, all of you lash lovelies should be taking deposits anyway because I don't want no shows for you, any last minute cancellations and you not getting paid. Step number 3, make your branding look professional. Consistent branding across all channels can increase revenue by 23%. In next week's video, I'm going to go deep into how you can brand your business and make it look amazing. But if your Instagram, Facebook, website all use different logos, different fonts, different colours, it looks a mess. Do the big brands you like to buy from do that? No, they all use the same font, the same colours, the same type of images. It all looks cohesive and it all looks more professional. You should do the same. It will make your business look more professional and worth a higher price. And make sure you keep watching to the end, guys, to get that free checklist. Now, if you're finding these tips helpful, please leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. A simple amen will do. And if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. I post a new video every Monday and Friday with just amazing tips and content to help you build your lash business and give you the life of your dreams. So, number 4, let's build fantastic reviews. Now, I know I sound like a parrot, I say this all the time, but it's because it is so good for your business in every way. The more amazing reviews you have online, the more verified your workplace is. So, imagine there's 2 lash places in your town. One charges £75 per set of lashes. This one charges £65. However, this one has 55-star reviews. This one has 10. Where are you going to go to? You're going to go to this one because it does a much better job. The kinds of clients you want to attract are the ones that are going to pay for a better service. So this is my fake lash salon over here. Prove that you are better than the competition by having all of your customers vouch for you. Number 5, make your lash salon room, wherever you are, the most beautiful customer experience. With a few simple adjustments, your customer experience can go from nice to amazing and super luxurious, which will command and justify a higher price. Offer your clients a drink or a snack. Put it on a nice little glass or a nice little saucer, a nice little cup. And these can be so inexpensive to do. Lots of holding imaginary things today. Buy a memory foam mattress topper so your bed is super comfortable. And maybe at like the beginning of the service, spend 2 minutes giving a head massage I don't really know what I'm doing here. Or a nice little hand massage. I mean, that costs nothing and that is going to make someone feel incredible. Go that extra mile so your clients feel like they've been truly taken care of. My clients always say to me, oh, this has been so nice. Oh, I'm so relaxed. And I always say a treatment should be a treat. And that's why they keep coming back time and time again 7 years later. And once you've done a few of these steps, you're going to feel justified and confident to raise your prices. If you can do all 5, oh my gosh, that's amazing. But even if you just do 2, you're going to feel so much better about it. So raise those prices, girl. I want to see them. Put in the comments down below that you're doing it because I want to know. And guys, if you haven't seen some of our other videos, make sure you check out how to set business goals for your salon so you are bossing it every step of the way. Right. Next week's branding. Love you. So good to see you guys. See you next time. So to get your free checklist, guys, just scroll to the bottom of the description of this video and I will have a link there waiting for you.